What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name's Nick and I am back with another video for you guys. Today we're actually getting to work on the F30 again. We're gonna do our very first performance mod and I'm gonna show you guys that right here. We've got CSF intercooler. Now this thing's pretty hefty, pretty fat. I'm definitely excited for this. We actually picked this one up from Jonathan Weeks. So huge shout out to him for hooking it up on this. Before we install it, we are gonna paint it black, throw a few coats on there because it is red and it looks a little off because our car is like a dark blue color, so it's just gonna look weird at that point having a red intercooler on there. It's gonna look pretty rice. We're gonna get that covered. I don't know if we're gonna be able to push much power out of it, but we'll definitely push something. Yeah guys, let's get into it. Alright guys, so we actually just got our first coat on. Pretty much, and look at this. It's actually, that's all I need. This black actually looks so good. It looks really good. Johnny's having second thoughts right now. He's like, man, I wish I kept mine black. No, but guys, it's looking really good. I think this is definitely gonna, especially with like an M Sport bumper, with the front grille that it has, I think it's definitely gonna do. It really does look good. It's gonna look awesome. Alrighty guys, we pretty much finished painting the intercooler. Black finish looks amazing, guys. Check this out. Woo! It actually looks so good. Yeah, it looks really good. It's definitely gonna be subtle, at the same time kind of like popping. Anyways guys, we're done with that. We're gonna start off by pulling off the front bumper, pulling off the stock intercooler and installing this one, so I'll catch you guys later. Oh, rip.
It didn't fall though, right? It didn't scratch.
Yeah, I think this thing just fell off right here.
Oh, that's lucky, dude.
Bro, I literally barely caught that.
Oh my gosh.
What is bumper 101? Just let it fall.
Let it fall off.
Guys, it's clean title for you right here. Some beautiful bolts and nuts right here. I love those. Kind of sketch, bro. Kind of sketch, kind of sus.
I'm not even gonna lie to you. That's kind of bad. Clean title.
John, let's not talk about your clean title, bro. Come on.
Oh.
No shade, no shade.
You're good. That's so funny. There we go, though.
All right, guys. We pretty much got the intercooler off. That's the stock one right here. Let's look at this difference real quick. Bro, this is like a portion of it, bro.
Oh, look at this, dude.
Literally a portion of it.
Oh my gosh, bro. Yeah, that's crazy.
Guys, anyway, we had a fun time pulling off the intercooler because it definitely had some unique bolting, some unique strategy to mounting that intercooler. So originally there's supposed to be some T20s or T25s underneath it. It's pretty much how you pull it off, and then you just take off the C-clips from the charge pipes. It's pretty simple. We took off the bumper for the sake of the video, but you could probably do it without pulling off the bumper, honestly, realistically. So And then just to pull off the bumper, we simply took off the two 8 mils on each side, T30s up top, and then just some 8 mils underneath, and that bumper comes right off. So yeah, guys, we're gonna wait up for the intercooler to dry, and we're gonna get to installing this bad boy. So I'm excited. All right, guys, we just finished installing the intercooler, and Johnny, what do you say?
Oh, sleeper build right over.
Looks like we've got a little sleeper 328 over here. What do you say?
How fat this thing is.
And it's bigger than all my radiators. Guys, the car doesn't even get to like operating temperatures as it is, and like now this intercooler, we're gonna be running real cool. I mean, at the end of the day, that is pretty good for the gaskets and just in general for the engine, right, Johnny?
Yeah.
I mean, it just good. Keeps it cool and doesn't overheat the gaskets. I guess it does good for the engine as well. So anyways, guys, we pretty much just mounted it in there. We put in the original screws from underneath, but this one did require some washers, so we got one of those on each side to hold it because the tabs on here are a lot bigger than the standard ones. And we got the OEM bolts in there. I just found some in my shop. So yeah, guys, pretty much all we have to do now is to put on the C-clips on the charge pipes, mount everything in there, and just throw the bumper back on, and we'll have some fun with it. Alright guys, so we pretty much got the car fully assembled. We're gonna start it up now. Hopefully there's no boost leaks.
Yes.
Supposedly the turbo is gonna be a little bit louder, so we're gonna try it out.
We're gonna try that out.
Oh, check engine. There's absolutely no difference.
Yeah, it doesn't sound very much different. Yeah, it sounds exactly the same, to be honest. You can hear it.
Oh shoot, bro! You can actually
hear it. See, it actually does make noise.
Wait, can you try it? I actually want to see.
Yeah.
You have to go past like three and a half, like 4K. Here, let me see.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wow, bro! What? Johnny, I feel like I'm rolling in a boosted, bro.
You got a big single turbo 335 over here.
Guys, we out here, yeah, we out here boosting, bro, on a freaking single turbo, guys, single turbo 328 sleeper, bro, like everything. I mean, bro, it actually sounds good. I'm surprised, bro.
That's actually surprising. I didn't expect it to be that loud.
Bro, me neither, bro. Alright. Here, open the Alright, go for it. Bro, it actually sounds so good. That's normally something that happens when you install like an intake or something.
Yeah.
I think it just adds so much more airflow.
Yeah, tons of air.
And when like you floor it, it just has so much more air to release. Because it builds, realistically, bro, it builds like, this intercooler is like, guys, this intercooler is like 3 times the size of the regular intercooler. So realistically, we think it just builds 3 times more boost, and that it just holds in there. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know what you're saying.
It holds that boost in there, and I guess it releases it, kind of makes more of a sound to it. It sounds pretty cool.
It sounds good, dude.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. That'll pretty much conclude this video. We had a blast installing this. Hope you guys learned how to install it in case you guys want to do it at home. It's pretty simple, all in all, to install the intercooler. But anyways, guys, the intercooler actually sounds really, really good. It changed the whole sound of the car, literally. Johnny, what do you say? It literally changed.
It actually changed so much. I was not expecting it to change that much, to be real to you.
Yeah.
But it actually sounds really good.
Yeah, the turbo, you can actually really hear the turbo now, or I guess kind of the blow off from the turbo. It's usually something you get when you install like a blow-off valve or, you know, a bigger intake or something. It definitely sounds cool. Honestly, I enjoy it a lot. I'm not gonna lie. I enjoy this a lot. I love the sound that it's got going. But anyways, guys, that'll conclude this video. We're tired. We're clocking out. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, bro, so then we gotta take 2 screws and pull this off?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, this looks really clean title right here. I like that feature that BMW added right here and right there.
So clean title.
It's so clean.
Anyways, guys.
Yeah. Hold on.